have people who accepted Islam. We have 14 people that I know of, and I'm a very busy man, we have 14 people accepted Islam till yesterday. Say Allahu Akbar. Say Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Now I want to ask those new Muslims who came, how do you feel being with terrorists? How do you feel being with all these terrorists? We have bombs all over, and in any moment we're going to explode. How do you feel? That doesn't exist. And we have new members who wants to accept the Shahada, if I can have them here, and they are not out of the 14. I mean, not part of the 4, they are out of the 14. So say Allahu Akbar. Say Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. How are you? Assalamu alaikum. Now, I want to let you know, guys, this is not a showcase. It's not a people who say, okay, $50 for Shahada, No, this is, I was told about these individuals while I was here. So what they would say is, inshallah, is, and they will say in Arabic, inshallah, I bear witness there's only one God worthy of worship, and Muhammad is the messenger of God, messenger of Allah, one of the messengers of Allah. We don't worship him, we don't pray to him, we don't ask of him. He is a messenger like any other messenger of the past. We honor them all. We love him as we love Musa, as Moses, as we love Jesus. We love them all equally. And our messenger said, do not compare me or favor me over other messengers. Now, if you can please, both of you come to the microphone, because we're going to say Shahada together. I want to be the one who is, mashallah, saying to you, and then you repeat after me. Say, Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
An. La ilaha. Wa ashhad. An. Muhammad. Rasul. Allah. Allahu Akbar. And give me a hug now. Give me a hug. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Did anybody force you at the gunpoint?
No.
Did we pay you?
No.
I don't have money to pay you. Thank you very much. Thanks. Welcome to Islam. Welcome to the family. May Allah accept you all. May Allah accept you all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi, sister.
Allahu Akbar. We have a third person who wants to accept Islam. Say Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. And by the way, we're not doing a great job yet. Say Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. I want the people outside to hear. Say Allahu Akbar. Assalamu alaikum. Jacqueline, how are you? Alhamdulillah. It's good to have you on the podium. MashaAllah. Welcome to Islam, and I want you to repeat the Shahada with me, inshallah. Say, Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
An.
La.
Ilaha. Illa. Allah.
Allah.
Wa ashhad.
An.
Muhammad. Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.